Well, that was quick. I ordered this like Thursday. And it got here, well, it got here on Saturday. So that's pretty darn good. Let's cut her open. I've never really done one of these types of videos, so it's not exactly my thing. This is a Echo CS 7310P. Why so many letters and numbers? I have no idea. And this is what you get, a chainsaw in a box. Manual, probably warranty, yep. Big thick manual in several different languages. A scrunch. And that's it. I don't see anything else. I thought it would come with a T27, but it doesn't. Let me take it out of the box and move the camera back and we'll have a look at it. Alright, here's the saw. It's 73.5 cc's, the Echo CS 7310P. It's a nice looking saw. Not sure about these caps. Supposedly you can use this as a handle. Oh, it has good compression. Yeah, that fits in here, and you can use this to open and close the fuel and oil cap. Let's take the top off. Like I said, this saw is made in Japan, and the fit and finish is really nice. It's really nice. It is of course, most of this plastic is fiber reinforced, and this is no different. Has a automotive style air filter, and it's a decent sized filter. Not the biggest I've seen, but a lot of surface area with the pleating. That is a rubber sealing surface here. Nothing's going to get around the sealing surface. Boy, all the transfers are bonded on with sealant, like Yamobond or Durco or something. They're on there. They didn't want those leaking. That's what Husqvarna should have done, because they didn't do that on their. They don't do that on their saws with the transfer covers. I actually had to take them off before and do that bucking. Metal, magnesium, or L-Mag. It's mag. Clutch cover. I kind of like it. They have these Teflon guides here. They actually screw them on, because other saws, they're just kind of pressed on and they can fall off when you're cleaning the saw off or something. This takes the same bar mount as the Husqvarna. Magnesium cased. Adjustable bar oiler. Automatic bar oiler. I always turn these up all the way. That looks like it. That turns slick too. Has a metal guard here on the fuel tank. That's nice to see. Nice aluminum handle with a rubber mold. Roller chain catcher. Husqvarna steel. You need to start doing this on every saw 60 cc's and up. So it's not rim dry. And I like the separate choke. That's slick. Full choke in, that's half throttle. Disengage, on off. Simple toggle switch, I like that. Some people don't. I don't know why. It looks old school, but I've never seen them break. It uses some type of air pre-filtration, or actually, from what I know, it actually sucks the air through, so it takes some of the large particles with it. As you can see, it kind of directs it around here, and it has a little duct to the flywheel fan. Winter, summer flap here. So in the winter, you take this, reverse it. It allows some heat from the cylinder to heat up the carburetor and that, prevent it from icing. Carbon filter. This is a quality saw, man. Wow, just the quality of everything. The little chip deflector here is mounted real nice. Man, the castings of, it's Japanese quality. You know, I don't care what anyone says, but you know, German quality is good. Swedish quality is pretty good. But the fit and finish, it's just second to none. Just everything looks nice. It is where it should be. Oh, these are captive bar nuts too. So they're not gonna, you're not gonna lose those in the woods. Let's go put some fuel in it and take it for a test run real quick. I'm not going to do a lot of cutting today. It's in the evening and it's going to get dark soon. Fuel. You can't see that. That's a pretty darn good sized fuel tank. inch lightweight bar. Perfect. Perfect. I would say that's what I would run on this saw, is 28 inch bar.